Hey guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Moorfield Road over in Salford M6 on a popular Earlham of the Height location to show you this absolutely fantastic property. It has been renovated to a really high standard throughout. It's got a double drive to the front, it's been extended, and it has a huge garden at the back that I cannot wait to show you. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming porchway which leads on through to this grand entrance hallway. As you can see, it's nice and neutral throughout. On your right, we flow on through to a really good size, bay fronted family lounge. Then as we head on through, we go into this large open plan living, dining and kitchen area. There is a really great social space. The kitchen benefits from an island in the middle. You've got this lovely ceiling spotlights along with the skylights as well, and bifolding doors to the rear. This property really must be viewed to be appreciated. And just off the space, we've got a fully fitted utility space. You've got a mudroom just in the middle here as well, and then you've got a modern three-piece downstairs shower room just through here. As we head on back through to the kitchen space, I'll take you on out to this huge garden at the back. Now, I should note that the garden benefits from a detached garage to the rear as well. It's got paving, laid lawn grass, so it's got a pergola at the back and mature plants as well. It is a fantastic size and is rare for a property in the height of this style to have such a great plot. Properties in this location are popular due to the close vicinity to several well-kept parks, with Light Oaks being the closest, but you've got Buell Hill Park and Oakwood Park as well, within easy access. It's also close to excellent transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head upstairs, we go up to the first floor, which has been recently redecorated. Straight on, we've got a modern four-piece family bathroom, which is a fantastic condition. Then back towards the landing, you'll find four good-sized bedrooms. This is the third bedroom just through here, which you wouldn't think given the fact that it is a really good size. You've got the main bedroom, which is a large double and benefits from views over the garden at the back. Also has a three-piece ensuite shower room just through here. Then you've got the second bedroom towards the front, which benefits from the bay window and the fitted furniture. And finally, you've got the fourth bedroom, which, like I say, is also a good size. And it provides access up to a loft room, which is currently in use as storage, but offers the potential for further development as well. Properties of this size and in this location do not stay on the market for long. Get in touch, cool your viewing today.